You've seen those viral Zack D films videos, right? The clean 3D visuals, the crazy simulations, the millions of views? You probably think you need years of Blender experience or a massive animation studio to create that level of quality. Well, you are wrong. What if I told you I created this in just a few minutes without modeling a single thing? Today, I'm going to reveal the exact step-by-step AI filmmaking workflow using Higgsfield AI. We aren't just generating random videos. I'm going to show you how to control the camera, consistency, and motion to replicate that viral 3D simulation style from scratch. This tool changes the game for creators, so stop scrolling because you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in.
First of all, head over to the Higgsfield website. This platform gives you access to multiple powerful AI tools in one place. Once you're on the homepage, go straight to the Higgsfield image section. As you can see on my screen, I was already experimenting with a Zack D film style visual, but let's start fresh. I'll remove the old prompt and paste in a new image prompt that I generated using Gemini. I'm not covering prompt generation in this video because I know you're smart enough to handle that, but don't worry, I'll make a dedicated prompt generation video very soon. After pasting the prompt, select the aspect ratio as 9:16, since this works best for shorts, reels, and vertical content. Then make sure you choose Nano Banana Pro as the image model. Right now, this is hands down one of the best image generation models available. For quality, you can safely go with 2K or 4K. Also, very important, select the unlimited option so your credits don't get consumed. Now hit generate, and within seconds, you'll get an impressive cinematic image. Now, let's say the image looks great but still has a few mistakes. No problem. Click Open In, and you'll see Higgsfield's built-in image editing tools. Choose the In Paint option, brush over the parts you want to remove, hit Erase, and it's fixed. You can repeat this process for any unwanted elements. Once you're happy, download the image.
Next, I'll upload this image again and use a simple edit prompt like increase the truck size, make it a giant truck the cat is pulling. Hit generate, and boom, the truck size is increased and the image looks much more powerful. Save this image. For scene 2, I'll generate a new prompt using Gemini and paste it here, but this time I'll upload scene 1 as a reference image to maintain character and style consistency. Generate it, and you'll see the continuity is spot on. Now comes the animation part. Click on Animate, and Higgsfield will open the video generation window. Paste your video motion prompt here. Again, you can generate this using Gemini or ChatGPT by simply explaining your scene in normal language. I'll cover motion prompt writing in a separate video. For the model, select Kling 2.6 or WAN 2.6. Both are excellent, but I personally recommend Kling 2.6 for cinematic motion. Set the duration to 10 seconds. You'll notice it only consumes around 20 credits. Hit generate, and within seconds you'll get a smooth cinematic animation. I've animated multiple scenes this way, and the results are honestly crazy. This is how you can create Zack D film style animations, but please don't copy anyone directly. Use your own originality. Zack D Films also nails voiceover, sound design, and editing. Higgsfield handles the hardest part, visuals and motion. For voice, you can use tools like 11 Labs, and for editing, even basic software is enough if you understand storytelling. Now don't leave yet, because Higgsfield has even more powerful features. Go back to the homepage and click on the Angles option. This feature lets you generate the same character or scene from multiple camera angles. Upload your image and you'll see a dice-like control that allows you to adjust camera direction. Select Generate from all angles and hit Generate. Within seconds, Higgsfield creates images from almost every possible angle. This saves insane amounts of time and takes character consistency to the next level. Now let's talk about Higgsfield's most powerful feature, Cinematic Studio. This is where full AI filmmaking becomes possible. For example, the Spirited Away style trailer you're seeing was made using this exact tool.
Daddy, let's get out of here. Daddy, let's get out of here. dying.
I told you not to smother them like that. What's this strange building?
Don't be scared, darling. Wow, that looks great.
To understand how it was created, click on Clone Project. You can literally inspect the entire workflow, how many images, videos, prompts, and settings were used. This shows you that while AI helps a lot, real effort and planning still matter. Click on any scene, like the train scene, and you'll see full details. Prompt, settings, reference images, everything. Copy the prompt and paste it into a new Cinematic Studio project. Here, you'll also find professional controls like camera type, lens, focal length, and cinematic presets. These settings help you achieve a realistic film-like look. You can even download the seed image used in the original scene and upload it as a reference to test variations.
After adjusting the settings, hit Generate, and the cinematic result looks insane. To show you this from scratch, I generated my own Zack D style scene using the same process. For scene 2, I reused scene 1 as a reference image to keep continuity. If you're confused about camera settings, you can literally screenshot the scene and ask Gemini which lens or camera would fit best, and it will guide you. For video generation, scroll to the video section. You can add motion like zoom in or zoom out, but I usually keep it simple. Upload scene 1 as the start frame and scene 2 as the end frame. Add a motion prompt and hit Generate. Do this for multiple scenes, stitch them together, and you've got a full AI-generated cinematic video. This video was just a high-level overview. If you want, I can create a full scratch-to-finish AI filmmaking tutorial using Higgsfield step by step. Let me know in the comments.